Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to do the extended double crochet. This is a stitch that I recently had to learn for a pattern that I had purchased, and I thought that it was so cool and so simple and easy to do that I would show you guys. So like normal, you need your yarn and your hook, and start out with a basic chain. It doesn't matter how many. I just did 10 just as a sample. But so to do the stitch, you just yarn over, insert your hook into that indicated stitch or wherever you want to put it, pull up a loop. Now if you remember with a normal double crochet, you would yarn over and pull through 2 loops. But instead with this one we're going to yarn over and pull through just 1 loop, and then you're going to finish like a regular double crochet. Okay, so yarn over, insert into that next stitch, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 1 loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through the last 2 loops. And that is how you do the extended double crochet. So you can see that it's actually pretty tall, and I'm just going to do a double crochet here just to show you the difference in the height. But as you can see, the double crochet stops there, so with that extra step then you have that extended thing. I'm super excited honestly to use a stitch in a lot of different ways. So that is just my little tidbit for you guys today. And thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!